Kiddie Kids.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn the phonics sound of M. M says Ma. M says
Ma.
this is a capital M. This is a lowercase m. Now let's start with the sound and vocabulary of letter M. M for monkey. Mama, mama, monkey.
M for monkey, mama, mama, monkey.
Monkey loves to eat banana. M for mat. Mama, mama, mat.
M for mat, mama, mama, mat.
We have mat in our home. M for moon. Mama, mama, moon.
M for moon, mama, mama, moon.
We see moon at the night in the sky. M for mitten. Mama, mama, mitten.
M for mitten, mama, mama, mitten.
Children wear mittens in winters to protect their hands from cold. M for mud. Mama, mama, mud.
M for mud, mama, mama, mud.
Children loves to play in the mud. M for mother. Mama, mama, mother.
M for mother, mama, mama, mother.
We should never trouble our mother because our mother loves us a lot. Got that?
Yes.
M for mouse. Mama, mama, mouse.
M for mouse, mama, mama, mouse.
Mouse is a small rodent. It has very sharp teeth. M for mushroom. Mama, mama, mushroom.
M for mushroom, mama, mama, mushroom.
Mushroom is a good source of vitamins. M for milk. Mama, mama, milk.
M for milk, mama, mama, milk.
We should drink milk daily. Children, I hope you all understand the vocabulary and the sound of M. Thank you.
Thank you.